'cause I've got no gods to believe in. Why take the air that I'm breathing? I think we're missing the meaning. Don't stand up, haven't you had enough? We have to let this lie. We'll find each other in the next lifetime. Haven't you had enough? We have to let this life find each other in the next lifetime.
Every letter I wrote is thrown in the trash. I'm starting over, letting go of the best. All these tears I soaked in, yeah, they change me. So why don't you just move, move? Why don't you just move, move? Yeah, it's over. This is the end. This will be the last time I ignore the signs. Move over. It's my time to experience life on my own. Yeah, 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 yeah.